11 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. Looks like someone wants to shed some pounds and get healthy. Good for you, my friend. Let me give you a tip. If you want to lose weight, it's time to say goodbye to those carbs. Yes, those yummy processed carbs and refined sugars are your enemies. They cause inflammation in your body and make your liver produce more fat. Who wants that, right? Not me, not you. So, let's stick to healthy foods that are low in carbs and sugars. Number 1. Red meats. Listen up, meat lovers. If you want to build those muscles and have the energy of a superhero, then you gotta choose high-quality, grass-fed animal meats like beef, lamb, and even some organ meats. These bad boys are packed with protein that will give you the strength to lift those heavy weights and run that extra mile. And let's not forget about the iron and vitamin B12, which are essential for building up that blood and keeping you energized all day long. Just make sure it's high-quality and grass-fed, so you can get all the nutrients you need to become the ultimate muscle machine. Number 2. Kale. This mighty leafy veggie is a nutrient powerhouse that puts other superfoods to shame. It contains double the vitamin C of oranges, more calcium than milk, and more potassium than bananas. Plus, it's low in starches and sugars and high in healthy fiber. Whether you prefer your kale lightly steamed as a side dish or blended into delicious smoothies, get ready for some major health improvements. Number 3. Eggs. These little wonders contain all the building blocks of life and only trace amounts of carbs, making them a perfect addition to your healthy diet. Eggs are also packed with choline and lecithin, which can help break down fat in your liver and aid in weight loss. And let's not forget about the protein, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that can help your cells heal and grow stronger. So, how many eggs should you eat? Well, according to the experts, 2 to 4 eggs a day can boost your nutrition and keep you feeling full and focused. Say goodbye to those pesky cravings for snacks and junk food and hello to a healthier, happier you. Number 4. Pecan nuts. Pecans contain a very low amount of net carbs but contain high amounts of soluble fiber which help to control your blood sugars. Pecans are rich in zinc, copper, vitamin B1, and monounsaturated fat which will keep you feeling satisfied and less likely to crave junk foods when losing weight. Eat a small handful of these after a meal, or chop them up and mix with sugar-free dark chocolate 70%. Number 5. Cheese. Cheese is a legit good source of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, E, D, and K2, that can help keep you healthy. Plus, it helps your bones, teeth, and nails absorb calcium like a boss. And get this, it's got healthy fatty acids and proteins that can boost your brain power and focus too. So if you're gonna chow down on cheese, make sure it's from grass-fed cows or goats to get the most out of it. I highly recommend tasty varieties like cheddar, camembert, halloumi, brie, goat's cheese, and mozzarella. Number 6. Cauliflower and cruciferous vegetables. To enhance your well-being or shed weight effectively, it's crucial to incorporate cruciferous leafy greens like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, arugula, bok choy, cabbage, and collard greens into your diet. These vegetables are rich in phytochemicals, which aid in detoxifying your liver and eliminating toxins from your body. Moreover, these greens are an excellent source of essential minerals such as potassium and magnesium. These minerals play a vital role in lowering insulin resistance, which facilitates fat burning at an accelerated pace. Therefore, consuming these vegetables is essential for meeting your nutritional requirements and improving your overall health. Number 7. Avocados and extra virgin olive oil. Avocados are one of the best sources of healthy fats out there. These babies are packed with monounsaturated fats that keep your cells fueled and energized. Avocados also contain a boatload of potassium, magnesium, and avocatin B, which help balance your hormones, improve insulin resistance, and help you burn fat. They are basically a one-stop shop for all your nutritional needs. And let's not forget about extra virgin olive oil. This stuff is liquid gold when it comes to cooking. It's loaded with anti-inflammatory chemicals like oleocanthal and oleuropein that help ease pain, swelling, joint pain, inflammation, and even improve your liver health. So go ahead and drizzle that stuff on everything. Number 8. Butter. Listen up, folks. If you want to keep those eyes, skin, and hair looking fresh and fabulous, pure butter is the way to go. But hold up, don't go grabbing any old butter. You want the good stuff that hasn't been mixed with any veggie oil. That's the kind that's packed with retinol, which is essential for keeping your body looking young and vibrant. Now, I know some people get freaked out by butter because of that cholesterol talk. But guess what? Your body actually needs that stuff to make hormones like insulin, estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol. And those hormones are key players in helping you shed those extra pounds. Your bones will thank you for the extra calcium, and your cravings will be kept in check. Plus, butter helps your gallbladder release bile, which breaks down fat. Number 9. Mushrooms. Did you know that mushrooms are actually fungi, but we cook them like veggies? These little guys are chock full of nutrients. There are so many different kinds of mushrooms out there, each with its own unique profile of vitamins and minerals. For centuries, mushrooms have been a staple in cuisines all over the world because they add an incredible burst of flavor. You can add all that yumminess without any extra fat or sodium. These babies are fat-free, low in sodium, low in calories, and cholesterol-free. Mushrooms are also loaded with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Number 10. Herbs. To lose those extra pounds, you gotta get some freshly chopped herbs in your life. I'm talking mint, basil, parsley, oregano, cilantro, dill, rosemary, and thyme. These babies don't have any of those pesky starches, but they are packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients that'll help you crush your weight loss goals and keep your blood sugar in check. Plus, they'll make your salads taste awesome. Don't forget about spices. Turmeric, cinnamon, coriander seeds, black pepper, and ginger are some of nature's most powerful healers. They'll help repair your liver, pancreas, and digestive organs. And even though spices have a teeny amount of carbs, you don't need much to reap the benefits and give your meals some serious flavor. Number 11. Wild salmon. If you're on that low-carb vibe, you gotta get some oily fish up in your grill. Wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies are packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids that'll have you feeling like $1,000,000. Not to mention, those omega-3s will help lower inflammation all up in your body and fix any damage caused by your sugary past. But here's the deal. Stay away from those farmed fish. They're chock full of nasty antibiotics, synthetic food coloring, and a bad diet that makes them low in nutrients. So stick to the wild stuff. If you want to ditch carbs and get your body burning fat, try mixing up some of these foods. Not only will they help you shed pounds, but they'll also give your cells some serious loving. And hey, if you're looking for more tips on how to live your best life, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a beat.